Hi there everyone, it's Misty here. Welcome back to the Stamp Anything YouTube channel. It's day 3 of previews, yay! So I am showing you the last chibi character for the October 2022 release, which will be live today. All of that information is linked in the description box down below. There's a direct link to the shop. There's a link to all of the social media. Be sure to check out the Facebook group so you can see more samples by the design team. So what do you think of this fantasy theme? I love it so very much. I cannot wait to create with these items. So over the next 3 Fridays, you will see projects from me using each of these chibis and the coordinating products. So I cannot wait for that. So if you haven't subscribed, you should probably consider it. I'm just saying. Turn on your post notifications. And like I said, make sure you're a member of the group because that's where all the magic really happens. So yeah, let's head over to the craft table and I'll show you all of the design team samples in day 3's chibi. All right, friends, we have day 3 of the October 2022 release. And our last chibi is Gwen You Make Life Magical. And isn't she just the prettiest little thing you ever did see? And her sentiment is you make my life magical. So what I love about her is how versatile she'll be. If you're someone or have someone in your life that is a big Disney princess fan, she could be Tiana. She could be Belle. You could kind of mask her hair right here, and she could be Cinderella. She could just be a princess. You could, mask the vines if you wanted to. She could be Rapunzel. I know Rapunzel didn't wear this kind of dress, but really the sky's the limit with her, and she doesn't even have to be Disney themed. She's just really fun. This whole release is just so fun. I was in education for over 20 years and I taught little ones like kindergarten, pre-K, first grade, second grade, and it just reminds me of them in the dress up corner, like their dress up area. Oh, so much fun. So let's take a look at the final design team projects and we'll go through the supplies one more time. So again, if you subscribe to the first level of Stamp Club, you get all of the stamps. If you subscribe to the second level of Stamp Club, you get the stamps and their coordinating dies. And if you subscribe to the third tier, you get everything. So there is the stained glass impressions die. You get the fantasy word die. We have the arched window box die. We've got Tiffany, Believe in Yourself. We've got a Nick, You Made My Fantasies. And then finally, we have Gwen, You Make Life Magical. Right, friends, that is it. Let me know down below which of these is your absolute favorite and leave any ideas of what you'd like me to see me create with these 3 over the next couple of weeks. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notifications. As I've mentioned in the past, we are hoping to grow our YouTube channel not only with subscribers but also with a ton more content. That all will be coming soon and you're not going to want to miss it. You will find direct links to the store, to Stamp Club, to Stencil Club. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, along with the Facebook group, Instagram, etc. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really do appreciate you, and I hope I see you back tomorrow on Saturday for a card using Isaac, Let the Fun Begin from the last release. All right, friends, bye for now.